So, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Baguio City District Engineering Office conference hall. So, for today's our activity is the pre-bid conference and opening of bid of one project. So, supposed to be kanina po sanang umaga itong ating activity. We have some important matters to attend. So, we moved it here now this afternoon. So I would also like to welcome our YouTube viewers. So our YouTube channel is DPWH DEO Procurement Livestream or Procurement LS. So to our viewers, welcome. So before we start, I would like to present the back members or the composition of back of the BCDO. From my right is Engineer Nora Ardil Santos, the Chief of Maintenance Section.
Good morning.
And from my left is
Ay, good afternoon pala.
and from
Sanay sa umaga.
from my left is Engineer Cesario L. Rillera, the Chief of Planning and Design Section, the back Vice Chairperson. Next to him is Engineer Alfredo Obanagaw, the Chief of Construction Section. And Engineer Ernesto B. Egilos. So we are five. And by the way, the back chairman Hil El Noque, the Chief of Quality Assurance Section. So we are 5 out of 5, so we have a quorum. So for the first agenda is the opening of bid, and this is contract ID number 24PD0014, and this is contract package number 6, Rehabilitation, Reconstruction of roads with slip, slope, collapse, and landslide. Secondary roads number 1 is PMA road, and for tertiary road is Easternlink Circumferential road and PMA cut-off road. So we have one bidder who submitted his bid manually, and this is Goldrich Construction and Trading. And I ask the back secretariat if we have a online bid submission. So we don't have online bid submission. So we have only one bidder, and this is Goldrich Construction and Trading. So may I ask the back secretariat to kindly open the technical proposal of Goldrich. So let's continue. So after having reviewing the technical proposal of Gold Ridge Construction, all the required documents are present and in order, updated. So the back uh, declares that Gold Ridge Construction is complying. So now may I ask the back secretariat to open the technical proposal of Gold Ridge. So let's continue. So after having examining the financial proposal of Gold Ridge Construction and all the required documents are present and passed, so the back declares that Gold Ridge Construction is complying. So now we're going to read the bid of Gold Ridge. So the bid of Gold Ridge is 122,157,345 pesos and 10 centavos. Again, 122,157,345 pesos and 10 centavos. And in item D, he offered a discount of 1.4% of the ADC. So may I ask our Vice Chair for the confirmation?
Okay, for the purpose of confirmation, in the bid form of Gold Ridge Construction and Trading, the amount offered is 122,157,345 pesos and 10 centavos only, The discount offered is 1.4% of ABC.
So do we have any comment on our YouTube viewers? So none. So for this first activity, that the opening of bid exactly ended at 2:34 p.m. So now we're going to the next activity, and this is the pre-bid conference of contract ID number 24PD0061, the Basic Infrastructure Program, Construction, Rehabilitation of Multipurpose Building at Barangay Military Cut-Off, Baguio City. And the approved budget for the contract is 2,970,000. The contract duration is 88 calendar days. And the cost of bidding document is 5,000. And for this contract to be eligible, the contractor must meet the following major requirements: Filipino citizen or 60% Filipino-owned partnership corporation with pickup license ranging from small B to large B. Completion of similar contract costing at least 50% of the ABC. Net financial contracting capacity at least equal to the ABC. So contractors or applicants who wish to participate in this bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works application at the DPWH Procurement Service, 5th floor, DPWH Building, Bonifacio Drive, Port Area, Manila. While those already enrolled shall keep their records current and updated. The contractor's eligibility to bid on the project will be determined using the DPWH contractor profile eligibility process and subject to further post-qualification. Information on registration can be obtained from the procuring service during working weekdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. or at the DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph. So bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary pass-fail criterion as specified in the 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulations of Republic Act RA or number 9184. So interested bidders may obtain further information from DPWH Baguio City District Engineering Office, Engineer Seal, Baguio City, and inspect the bidding documents at the address from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So a complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidders on February 19, 2024 to March 11, 2024. Or from DPWH Baguio City District Engineering Office, Engineer Seal, Baguio City, or DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph, PhilJEP's website www.philjeps.gov.ph. And upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents, pursuant to the latest guidelines issued by the GPPB in the amount stated, the procuring entity shall allow the bidder to present its proof of payment for the fees if it will be presented in person, by facsimile, or through electronic means. So bids must be duly received by the Back Secretariat through manual submission at the office address as indicated, or at the office address, online or electronic submission at electronicbids_Baguio City at dpwh.gov.ph, or both, on or before 10 a.m. of March 11, 2024. Late bids shall not be accepted. All bids must be accompanied by bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in ITB Clause 16. Bid opening shall be on 10 a.m. of March 11, 2024 at the given address and or through electronic bids_Baguio City at dpwh.gov.ph. Bids will be opened in the presence of the bidder's representatives who choose to attend the activity. The DPWH Baguio City District Engineering Office reserves the right to reject any and all bids declare a failure of bidding or not award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with sections 35.6 and 41 of 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulations of RA 9184, without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidders or bidders. So for further information, you can please refer to Engineer Tedler H. Stephanus Jr., Engineer 3, Head Back Secretariat, DPWH Baguio City District Engineering Office, Engineer Seal Baguio City. And likewise, you can call him at 074-442-8195. Likewise, you may also visit the following websites for downloading of billing documents. DPWH website, www.dpwh.gov.ph. At PhilJEP's website, www.philjeps.gov.ph. And for online bids admission, electronic bids _Baguio City at dpwh.gov.ph. So for the project will be presented, discussed by Engineer May. So you can now proceed.
Good afternoon, everyone. I will be presenting the proposed project, construction rehabilitation of multi-purpose building at Barangay Military Cutoff, Baguio City. The project ID is 24PD0061. Approved budget of contract 2,970,000 and contract duration of 88 calendar days. This project is fully coordinated with the barangay officials of Barangay Military Cutoff. This is the location of the project. The topographic map, yung entrance po natin is from Wagner Road, may hagdan po, may pathway po pababa, leading to the basketball court. So this is the current site condition of the existing basketball court. The site condition of the existing CR and the condition of the existing stage po. So for the summary of quantities, under other general requirements, permits and clearances, 1 lump sum, project billboard, sideboard, 1 each. Occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. Mobilization, demobilization, 1 lump sum. Under civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary or plumbing works, demolition works, removal of structures and obstructions, 1 lump sum. Structure, excavation, common soil, 25.6 cubic meter. Embankment, 25.6 cubic meter. Gravel fill, 0.9 cubic meter. Structural concrete, 4,000 PSI at 28 days, 11.03 cubic meter. Reinforcing steel, deformed, grade 40, 510 kilograms. Reinforcing steel, deformed, grade 60, 1,247 kilogram. Deformed, formworks and false works, 134 square meter. Under finishing, a ceiling, 4.5 millimeter fiber cement board on wood frame, 45 square meter. Waterproofing cement base, 6 square meter. Glaze tiles, 28 square meter. Unglaze tiles, 6 square meter. Cement plaster finish, plain, 87.2 square meter. Painting works masonry concrete, 87 square meter. Painting works steel, 1,184.96 square meter. Fascia board metal, 213 cubic meter. Fabricated metal roofing accessories, ridge, hip, roll, 4 linear meter. Fabricated metal roofing accessory, finishing, 80 linear meter. Fabricated metal roofing accessories, gutter, 0.7 millimeter thick, 35 linear meter. Pre-painted metal sheets, rib type, long span, 0.5 millimeter thick, 280 square meter. Polycarbonate sheet or panels, solid, 77 linear meter. Metal structure accessories, GI tubular framing, 1 lump sum. Metal structure accessories, anchor bolts, 12 each. Metal structure accessories, turnbuckle, 28 each. Metal structure accessories, bolts, 6 kilograms. Metal structure accessories, sagrods, 4.83 kilogram. Metal structure accessories, cross bracing, 119.79 kilogram. Metal structure accessories, steel plates, 238.44 kilograms. Structural steel, 1 lump sum. Structural steel trusses, columns, 3,893 kilograms. Structural steel purlins, 551 kilograms. CHB non-load bearing, including reinforcing steel, 100 millimeter thick, 4 square meter. CHB non-load bearing, including reinforcing steel, 150 millimeter, 24 square meter. Aluminum glass window owning types, 0.77 square meter. Frames, door jump, 2 sets. Doors, wood panel, 3.40 square meter. Sewer line works, 1 lump sum. Storm drainage and downspout, 1 lump sum. Plumbing fixtures, 1 lump sum. Water closet, round front, complete tank type, 2 set. Urinal flush valve, complete with flush button type, 1 set. Lavatory wall hang, complete manually operated, 2 set. Floor drain plate, stainless steel, 2 set. Faucet, 2 pieces. Facial mirror, 1.77 square meter. Cold water lines, 1 lump sum. Under electric works, conduit boxes and fittings, conduit works, conduit rough-in, 1 lump sum. Electric wire, 2.2 millimeter, 2 square millimeter. Thin wire stranded, 35 meter. Electric wire, 3.5 square millimeter, 30 meters. Electric wire, 5.5 millimeter, 20 meter. Electric wire, 8.8 millimeter square. Wire, 5 meter. Panel board with main and branch breakers, 1 lump sum. Lighting fixtures and lamps, 1 lump sum. So this is the proposed perspective of the basketball court. And the proposed female and male CR perspective. This is the existing floor plan of the project, and this will be the proposed floor plan. So for the front side po, we will be adding 1 span with 2.34 meters. Dito po, 2.34 meters. At magdadagdag po tayo ng isang span with 1.5 meter po na overhang ng roofing. And sa backside naman po, meron din po tayong, mag-extend din po tayo ng 3.736 meters po with plus or minus 4 meters po na roofing kasi hindi po parallel yung angle po nung roofing po sa likod. Yes po sir. Mag-extend lang po tayo. Yes po. Meron po sir, yung dito po sir na yes po sir, this part po i-replace po natin siya kasi meron pong medyo malaki po yung butas. And the whole basketball court will be repainted din po. So this is the front elevation. Maglalagay din po tayo ng polycarbonate panel or sheets sa harap. Request po yan ng barangay kasi pag umuulan po, doon po pumapasok yung tubig. So, pangharang po sa... this is the panel sheet details. Supported po siya ng GI tubular frame at 1.2 mm thick by 50 mm by 50 mm with 3 mm thick polycarbonate panel sheet. This is the footing and pedestal column. The column has a dimension of 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter. The depth of the column will be 2 meter deep. Yung pedestal po is 0.6 meter. Connected po yung the steel column will be connected to the pedestal with 25 mm by 450 by 450 base plate with 820 mm diameter anchor bolts with nuts and washers. plan, footing plan po. And the schedule po for the column. The column dimension is 450 mm by 450 mm. Concrete cover 40 mm. Main reinforcement 8 20 mm diameter column rebars. Lateral ties as indicated po yung spacing. Ito po yung front perspective with the panel sheets. And sa rear side naman po ng main na truss, ganun din po, maglalagay din po tayo ng polycarbonate sheet panel. Same lang din po yung details nung una-una. And ito po yung perspective sa likod. So, ito po yung idadagdag po natin sa likod, tapos extension po ng roofing. Supported po yung ating extended roofing ng lally piles, lally column po. So this is the detail for the lally column. The lally column has 152 mm diameter, schedule 60 GI pipe lally column. Supported po siya ng 12.5 mm steel rib plate fully welded. 20 mm diameter by 600 mm anchor bolts, and 25 mm by 400 mm by 400 mm steel base plate. Same din po yung footing ng nung naunang nung anong pedestal column din po. Typical main truss details. So we have for the top and bottom cords po, we have two 5 mm by 75 mm by 75 mm angle bars, and for web members, two 5 mm by 50 mm by 50 mm angle bar. Typical stiffener truss details. Same din po yung top and bottom cords, two 5 mm by 75 mm by 75 mm. And the web members with 5 mm by 50 mm by 50 mm. For the typical rear truss detail po, we have one for top and bottom cords po, one 5 mm by 75 mm by 75 mm angle bars, and for the web members, one 5 mm by 50 mm by 50 mm angle bars. All connections are fully welded. Column truss, same din po siya for two 5 mm by 75 mm by 75 mm angle bar din po yung main, and yung web is 50 mm by 5 mm by 50 mm by 50 mm na angle bars din po. Ito po yung roof plan natin. So ito po yung extension sa rear side and extension sa front. Tapos yung i-replace po natin na roofing sheet. And yung station po pala, i-replace din po natin yung roofing sheet and ceiling. Typical roof cross section po. So we have 0.51 mm pre-painted ridge roll, 20 mm by 50 mm by 150 mm by 1.2 mm LC shape steel purlins, 0.7 mm thick pre-painted gutter, and 0.5 mm thick pre-painted roof sheets. For the middle section po, yung for its connection, meron po tayong two 300 mm by 550 mm by 12.50 mm gusset plate with 12 mm diameter machine bolts with nuts and washers. So for dito po. So for the CR naman po, meron tayong male and female CR na separated with dimension of 3.9 meter by 1.7 meter. So ito po yung front elevation and rear elevation. As per the request po ng ating barangay, maglalagay po tayo ng exposed na rebars. Kasi gusto po nilang pa. Yes po, sir. Male CR cross-section. So, maglalagay po tayo ng facial mirror, wall hung lavatory, manually operated and complete with accessories. May water closet din po, round front, tank type and complete with fittings and accessories. American standards po, urinal flush valve, push button type, complete with fittings and accessories, American standard din po. For the finishing of the ceiling, we have 4.5 mm fiber cement board on wood frame, paint finish. And for the finishing of the floor, we have 300 mm by 300 mm and glaze tiles. For the finishing naman po ng wall, we have 300 mm by 600 mm glaze tiles po. Same lang din po siya sa male CR except po dun sa urinal. With tissue holder din po pala, both CR. So for door and window details, wood panel door with 50 mm by 150 mm door jump, door panel 2.1 meter by 0.8 meter, located for both male and female CR. Complete finish, complete with locking mechanism and accessories, lever type. For the window, aluminum powder coated frame at 1.2 mm thick and 100 by 100 mm by 45 mm with 12 mm thick clear glass. Two set din po siya for the male and female CR, complete with locking mechanisms and accessories. Ito po yung details for the footing po ng ating CR. So the dimension of the footing will be 1 by 1 meter. And schedule po ng ating column, 300 by 300 with 4 20 mm diameter main bars and lateral ties spaced as indicated. Sa beams naman po, we have grade beam na 200 by 300 and sa top beam po na 250 by 350 millimeters. Ito po yung electrical layout. Kakonect po siya sa existing na circuit breaker na din po doon sa basketball court. Plumbing layout. Kakonect din po sa existing na septic tank. And water line po. Kakonect din po siya sa existing na water supply nila doon sa court. And for the stage po, ceiling and roofing lang naman po yung i-replace natin. Roofing with 0.5 mm thick pre-painted roof sheets and ceiling with 4.5 mm by 4 feet by 4 by 6 feet fiber cement board. Thank you.
So, any comment? Yung taga-barangay military ka? Yung, may comment po kayo? Kasi may question?
Ma'am, yung kasama lang po sa lighting is yung lighting lang po ng CR po. Pero yung lighting po nung court pa, hindi po kaya nung budget.
Yung ibig sabihin na ang tinatanong na yung lighting sa
Court po.
bakit walang hindi ba existing yung lighting dyan?
Kaya sa mahina sa basket.
Palitan lang. Kung may savings ito,
Yes, sir.
lagay sa content mo. Kasi sulat yung request mo pag pandaw.
Sa implementation.
Sa implementation. Kumari kung yung assign na fee dyan, kung may variance, kung gamitin natin.
Meron pang gusto i-clarify?
Yung what? Yung color ng tiles ng CR pwedeng palitan.
Ano lang siguro, so, kayo kapitan po doon? Sino kapitan? Ay, ano siguro kapitana? Sa implementation na lang. Basta ang mangyari doon nasa the same lang yung specs niya. Color, baka pag-decide ka naman basta yung ang ano lang yung specs niya tsaka yung siyempre yung costing. Wag naman yung sigurong mahal ang gusto mo tapos no. Pwede yung kapitana, pwede. Sa implementation na lang ang gagawin yun. Ay yung request nyo.
Anyway, we'll still mix kung sinong manalo. We'll agree with that. Pero kasi kailangan kung ano
Yes.
dapat format na request na kung
Gagawa kami ng formal na.
pag sinong nanalo pa during reconstruction meeting. Okay? Para at least sa minutes na meeting natin, ilagay natin sa reconstruction kung sinong nanalo.
Magkakaroon po ba kami ng copy?
As of now, hindi pa pwede. Pag may award yung project, bigyan tayo. Okay?
So, question lang. So, pag nai-award na po, wala naman kami pwedeng gawin changes or
Eh, siyempre kaya nga may prepaid ngayon. Kasi kung major ang ipapalit nyo, paano ba yan? Kaya ngayon, na-predict na conference, at least, yung sinasabi mo is yung times lang. Pwede yata, pero sinabi ni Chairman na kung baka masyadong mahal yung against yung kwan na yan. Siyempre kung ulang yung pera. Pero may kwan. Pero tingnan natin na at least yung nilagay natin na times maganda. We still make sa reconstruction meeting sinong nanalo. As of now, yung pinakita is satisfied kayo. Kasi kayo nagturo kung anong magawa ko initially pa. Yun lang. Okay.
So, meron pa kapitana?
Sino kapitana?
Si Becky Ambion Cruz. So, bagong kapitan po yun. Welcome po.
Magulong ka sa.
Okay, naman po si pinakilala ni engineer kanina.
So, satisfied na kayo doon sa pagkaka-prepare o yung kung paano siya magagawa, kapitan. Okay na yon. Okay na yun. Kasi kaya meron tayong pre-bid conference, iniiwasan natin yung major changes during the implementation. Kasi doon nagkakaroon ng delay doon sa project para maaga matapos. So yung mga request nyo, pwede nating i-accommodate yun. Wag lang masyadong kagaya nung sinasabi nyo yung sa tiles. Baka yung tiles niya tapos nung pag gusto niya baka naman marmol o ano. Ini-exaggerate ko lang, kapitana. Ano ko na. Yung para basta wag lang naman yung major changes. Basta mag-aano lang siya dun sa ano natin doon sa estimate. Basta kasi yung natin is pricing para kaya yung pricing naman namin nakalat nasa standard. Yung sinabi pa niya yung American standard pa yung brand. Sabi niya. Ang kasi na pwedeng American standard o yung equivalent. Yan pwede.
Anong sinasabi mo yung CI? Yung linalapas mo, lumalabas ang tubig o manuwas mo?
Manual.
Manual operated lang yung ano niya. Hindi siya high-tech.
Pumapasok kayo.
Manual lang po.
So, okay na po. Okay na, kapitana. Sir, okay na. So, meron tayong mga any comments sa viewers natin? So, if none, so pre-bid conference exactly adjourned 3:03 p.m. So, thank you po.